welcome back to Play with Art. I think you have already guessed the theme. Yes, you were right, it is horror. So, in today's video, we are going to draw the one and only the Nun. Here, I'm drawing a basic sketch of the character. Don't worry if yours looks a bit odd. You will get it right at the end of this video. After completing your basic sketch, start shading it. The game is all about shading, to be honest, scribbling and then smudging it with a cotton bud. After you're done with the shading of the cloak, make small marks in its body and give it a slight shading effect with your cotton bud. For the final touch, you can also shade its eyes a bit darker. And finally, you are done. Happy sketching!